Cats need fresh water to stay hydrated. This helps reduce urinary tract infections and ensures proper kidney function. The Catit Flower Fountain is based on the proven technology of the original Catit drinking fountain.
Okay, Winston, I'll be right back. Be a good boy. Oh, Winston, do you have to chew everything?
The Catit Wellness Centre was built to be the ultimate catnip relaxation spot. The ergonomic base comes with a broad padded cushion that will comfortably fit an adult cat. And we included a variety of brushes, textures and massage ridges to help your cat relax and groom herself. All of the features are easily accessible from all sides to suit any cat's grooming habits. The multi-purpose massager is the ideal shape for cats to rub their head, neck and face against. It holds a gum stimulator that cats can happily gnaw on as the textured nub cleans their gums and teeth. The flexible combs and wavy massage ridges on either side will help satisfy any itch that needs scratching, massaging and grooming even in those hard-to-reach areas. The Catit Wellness Centre will appeal to cats of all ages, but if your cat likes catnip, they're in for even more of a treat. All in one fresh green style to match any home interior, no matter the arrangement. The Catit Senses 2.0 Wellness Centre, the #1 catnip relaxation spot. Catit, quality design for cats. Cats are natural-born hunters. Hunting is their favourite game, and it stimulates their minds and bodies. The original Catit Food Maze received a lot of customer feedback, which we used to improve our design. So we widened it for superior stability, even more so in combination with the Senses 2.0 circuits. Its durable body with strategically placed side openings has multiple stage dividers and 3 difficulty settings for gameplay variety. The Catit Food Tree has a new narrow top opening that prevents cats from easily accessing the treats or kibble. You can use the Catit Food Tree with kibble, treats or even small toys, all in one fresh green style to match any home interior, no matter the arrangement. The Catit Senses 2.0 Food Tree Treat and Food Maze. Catit, quality design for cats.
Introducing the 3-sided scratcher from Pet Fusion. Cat Fancy magazine awarded Pet Fusion's 3-sided cat scratcher the Editor's Choice Award for #1 Best New Product in 2014. More than just a typical scratcher, Pet Fusion's 3-sided cat scratcher serves as a play area for perching, stretching, and exploring, while offering your cat multiple vertical and horizontal scratching angles. The 3-sided scratcher comes with 4 non-skid silicone feet to secure the product, even on slick surfaces. Available in sizes standard and large, with each size fully usable for scratching on every side, inside and out. Includes premium USA organic catnip leaf, which encourages natural scratching and promotes healthy claws, exercise, and stress relief. Made from recycled cardboard and durable construction, Pet Fusion's 3-sided cat scratcher lasts longer than other scratching products available today. The large surface area can hold multiple cats or larger cats, providing generous scratching space. The attractive design and neutral colors will blend in with any home decor. Pet Fusion's three-sided cat scratcher encourages natural scratching and play to promote the health and wellness of your feline companion.
When their cyborg dung butler rakes their deposit into its harvesting box. I don't even remember what my poo smells like anymore. It's like a part of me doesn't exist.
Every few weeks, a fresh tray of crystals automatically shows up to keep the whole system running. They've built an entire infrastructure to whisk our poo off to an undisclosed location in an armored tank.
But have you ever stopped to ask yourself why?
Open your eyes, people. They're using us for our poo.
Are they using it to weave their strange, floppy outer skins?
Are they fueling their moving couches with feces?
Do our deuces keep their faces hairless?
They're always staring at their hand rectangles. Could it be that humans are harvesting our turds to trade with other humans on their secret black turd market? Buying and selling pallets of our poop all day long?
If our bio-waste is this valuable, it must be worth billions. Or even millions.
It makes you wonder, what are they collecting our hairballs for?
Scoop-free self-cleaning litter box. A high-tech robot machine that harvests your cat's poop so you can sell it on the black turd market and make billions or even millions.
If you suspect a human is using you for your poo, please share this video.
Pet Fusion's Jumbo Cat Scratcher Lounge serves double duty as both a cat
Prefer a large water-to-air surface or long...
When you can't be with the one you love, PetQ Play can.